Hey Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. So today my mom is here per request by a few people, and we're going to unbox, unbag, whatever you want to call it, these mystery packs. So we've got these 3 collector packs that if you didn't catch, I put in my haul video. I already gone over them. I will go over them individually when we do it. We've got these 2 stacking doll. They're not stacking dolls.
No, they're nesting dolls.
Nesting dolls. So we've got these 2 nesting doll mystery packs, and then we've got this Disney Pirates pack. So let's start. We're gonna start with, I don't know, which one do you want to start with? Buzz? So it's the collector pack, Park Series 16. And here is the options on the back, and I can tell you, you can get Buzz Lightyear, Woody, Jessie, Bullseye, Alien, Zurg, Mr. Potato Head, Rex, Green Army Man, Slinky Dog, Ham, RC, Dolly, Mr. Prickle Pants, Lotso, Buttercup, Trixie, and Peas in a Pod.
Mr. Prickle Pants.
I don't know who that is.
Maybe he'll be in there.
I know, I hope he's in there, because we don't know who he is. And so it's got 3 collectible mini characters, so you do the honors. Who's in here? We don't know.
Mr. Prickle Pants.
I hope Mr. Prickle Pants is in there.
Oh, and
This isn't rehearsed. Go ahead.
If you buy 3, they're $6 a piece.
There you go, you guys. You get a deal. A deal at Disney.
Disney deal. We like those. Okay, here we go. We're opening.
So pick one out at a time. I'm
Mr.
teaching her
Prickle
how
Pants.
to do a mystery
Here we
pack.
go. Ooh, it's
So the first one?
Okay,
Ooh,
the
this
first
is exciting.
one is
RC.
Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh,
They're little. They're so
they're
cute.
cute. I have some of the original Pirates ones.
So it's RC, and he's adorable, and he looks just like himself. The wheels do not move, but oops, now it's
It's a
focusing
cute
on
little
me.
collectible.
He's cute. Okay, so we've
number-
got RC. Number 2.
Oh,
Ham.
ham. Who doesn't like a little ham
I
around?
know.
Let's open him up. Oh,
He's got a little slot on top.
he's
Look
really
at him. He's super cute. I feel like part of the reason why they're so cute is because they're so tiny.
They're so tiny. Okay, and last but not least, oh, Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog. Oh, these are good. We got a
these are
good one.
ones. I like these guys. And here he is. Ooh.
Does he move? No,
No.
he doesn't slinky, but here he is.
But he's about to have his own ride over at Disney World.
He is. Yeah, I feel like that was a really good
It
one.
was a good one. Next is the Collector Packs Park Series 5.
There we go. Okay, so here is the front. And then the back, it's got all the little guys, and we will tell you, you can get, this is the one I'm excited about. You can get Lilo, Woody, Buzz Lightyear, Disneyland Haunted Mansion, Snow White, It's a Small World doll, Disney Bus, Disney Cruise Line ship, Dopey, Benny the Cab with Roger Rabbit. That's really cool. That's a ride at Disneyland if you didn't know. Jessica Rabbit, Disney's Animal Kingdom Tree of Life, Disneyland It's a Small World attraction, Disney's Animal Kingdom Safari Jeep, Walt Disney World, Hollywood Tower Hotel Bellhop Goofy, Witch, Hag, and Mission Space X2 Shuttle. I'm excited about this ride one.
All right. So here we go.
You do the honors.
Oh, nice, you can tear it.
Oh.
All right. Number 1
Is
Oh, it's
It's a Small World.
How perfect is that?
It's so cute.
I think it's Mexico.
I think it's Mexico,
oh,
too.
It's so cute. Wouldn't it be so great to have all of them?
Yeah.
Like
So here he is. He is adorable. I think does he have a little maracas in his hand?
He does have little
He's got a little sombrero. He's super cute.
I like that.
I like him too.
All right,
We'll set him
number
together.
2.
Yeah.
Yes.
The Hag.
Oh, yeah. There, you know. It's
I
a
feel
hag.
kind of pretty indifferent about this. Just kind of hoping for.
I think if it were your favorite movie, you know,
Yeah.
Snow White were your favorite movie, then you'd be very happy to have her.
There she is. So she's holding her bag of apple, or her basket of apples. And she's holding, obviously, the poisonous apple to kill Snow White.
Last but not least, we have...
Yay!
Oh my gosh, it is.
It's the Roger Rabbit car.
Oh my gosh, that's so
That's
good.
cool.
I like that.
I'm glad that I gave a little reference for Disneyland. He's so cute.
So cute.
Oh, look at him. Look at Benny. There he is. Look at him. So it's got the car and Roger Rabbit. I feel like it's a double, because it's two characters in one. Okay, so we're on to our third collector pack.
Which is the Park Series 11 collector pack.
Okay, so there's that. And then here's the back. I will tell you who you can get. You can get Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Donald Duck, Pluto, Tinkerbell, I hope we get Tink, Peter Pan, Jiminy Cricket, Robin Hood, Baloo, Bolt, Wally, Alice, I hope we get Alice, Cheshire Cat, Tiana, Carnotaurus, what is that? Carnotaurus, is that right?
I don't know who that is.
I don't either. Maybe we'll get him, Mr. Prickly
We
Pants.
won't know who it is. There's Mr. Prickly.
Splash Mountain and the Disney bus. I hope we get Splash Mountain or the Disney
Or
bus.
Disney bus would
Yeah.
be fun. All right. Here we go. Number one is...
Splash Mountain!
Oh, it's
Splash Mountain has a mountain. I was
know,
seeing the
it's
bottom of her dress.
But
All I
she's
saw was the bottom of her
really-
dress.
These are so cute. Look at this princess.
She's pretty. She's bigger than the other ones. It looks. Well, her dress is
She's
huge.
got a lot of dress there. They all do.
I know.
Those princesses have a lot of dress.
Look at how huge this dress is, you guys. I feel like it's disproportionate to her head. She's got a huge dress on, but still very pretty. It's her wedding dress.
Number two is
Baloo.
Baloo
Cute.
Bear. Great. He's singing. I think he's mid-phrase. Bare necessities.
Yeah. He is. Oh yeah, it looks like he's like doing it looks like he's doing some sort of little dance and singing. He's cute. Look at him.
Last but not least, we have...
Oh, the Carnosaur.
Oh,
it's the T-Rex. T-Rex from Dinosaur.
Dinosaur ride.
That's cool.
Okay, now it
The
makes sense.
Carnosaurus. Now I get it.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
there he is.
We get the reference.
We're not gonna make it.
We're not gonna make it. We made it. Look at how cute he is. He's a Carnosaurus.
He's a Carnosaurus.
I thought he was T-Rex though. I don't know. Do you guys know?
No, he has little hands.
Little hand.
His short arms.
I know.
That's
If
what
you,
I meant to
I know.
say.
He always. There's that shirt that says, "If you're happy and you know it, clap your own."
Okay, I'm gonna do pirates next.
So in this Pirates pack, there's 2 randomly assorted character pins, and it looks like you can get several characters, some scenes. So these are it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 different pin choices, perhaps. And then on the side, 10 pin collection, there we go. And then they each contain 2 randomly assorted. Now I think this one has actual blind bags in it, so that means that the bags are black. So you can just,
very fun. So I can just take
you
it
can
out.
just pull one out and then you can
Then we can open it.
open it.
And while I'm doing this, I have to give a shout out to Will and to Daphne, who requested my presence, and just because of you, I am here.
She is, it's true.
Oh, you're right. Look at that.
Yeah,
Black bags. So I can just take them out to start.
sure, if you want.
And all right, here's number 1.
Who'd you get?
Who is it? Who is it?
Who is it? Who is it?
Wow, they
Ooh.
really don't want you to know what you're getting.
Oh,
yay! Favorite.
Look at this.
There we go.
It's the Pirate Mickey.
Pirate Mickey.
It's a cute Pirate Mickey.
Perfect.
So cute. It says Pirates of the Caribbean on the bottom, and he's got little swords on top. This is so cute. Wow, that is really cute. Look at him. Oh no, he's Jack.
Yeah,
he's
he is
Jack
kind-
Sparrow.
Yeah, oh, he is. No, you
He's
can
very
see
Jack
it.
Sparrow.
You've got his little thing hanging. there.
Yeah. Oh, he is cute.
Very cute.
So on to our second one. I say our is like, it's not mine. Ooh, oh, it's Goofy.
That's very cute.
What is he? So he's this one down in the bottom. So we got like the first and the last, it looks like, of this set. So here, let's look at him real quick so we know what's on here. Let's get a little bottle down on the bottom. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so here's Goofy. And so you can see the bottom, that bottle down on the bottom, and he's on the anchor with a little pirate flag. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I feel like you got two really good pins out of that.
Yeah, I like them both.
All right. Moving on to the things I'm most excited about, because it's all about me.
Yes, and this is probably going to mean we're going to be having to do some pin trading.
We are. But these 2 packs are hers, but we're going to look at them. I know which ones I really want, so I know which ones I'm looking for.
So this is the collectible pin pack. But are they stacking dolls? They don't really give it a name.
Yeah, they don't, but we know what they are. So on the back, you can get, so this is Snow White, Ariel, Belle, Sleeping Beauty, Merida, Cinderella, Mary Poppins is so cute, Tiana, and then one of the 3 fairies. Looks like Aurora. That's Aurora. Who's that? Rapunzel. Elsa, Anna, Alice, and Tinkerbell.
Some really nice pins, I think.
Yeah. So if it's okay.
You're gonna, yes.
Okay.
She's very excited. Okay, I'm good.
So these are not in blind bags, because I've seen people undo these. So I know that you have to pull them out one at a time. So here's our first. Oh, we got Cinderella.
Oh, they're really pretty pins.
Oh, she is really pretty.
I like that.
So here's Cinderella. There's Cinderella. Look!
Oh, Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell!
Tinkerbell's always welcome in my house.
Yes, she is. I'm hoping we get more than one so that we can both have one. Oh, here's Tinkerbell. Look at her. She's so cute.
Good size pin, too.
Yeah, I thought they look smaller in the videos that I've seen of people, so I'm like, those are much bigger than I.
Yeah, very cute.
They're probably what, an inch and a half? 2 inches?
Probably an inch and a half.
Inch and a half.
Inch and a quarter. Yeah.
Inch and a quarter. Okay. Oh, I wish I knew which fairies were which, but this is one of the fairies. So here she is. I'll find out her name, don't worry. I'm not a heathen. So the next one is Ariel. Look at the little seahorses. Oh, she's really pretty. Okay, so here's Ariel with her 2 little seahorses down on the bottom. She is so cute. The last one is Sleeping Beauty. That was a really good.
It is.
Wow.
She's even got one of her fairies with
Look at her. I know. Okay, so here's Sleeping Beauty. I feel like the pictures and video definitely don't do them justice. If you can see them in person, they're really, really pretty pins. Next pack. You want to do this one?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
All right. All right, first pin.
Ready. Alice! Oh yay, I really wanted Alice.
Cute.
Good. So here's Alice. She is really cute. Here's Alice. Oh wow, we have not gotten doubles yet, but I feel like I just jinxed us. Here's the next one. Mary Poppins.
Oh my gosh,
she's pretty.
What a pretty
wow.
pin.
Oh look, it even has her umbrella with the little bird top. Oh, look
really
at this, you guys.
pin.
Look at her. You guys have to look at that umbrella detail. That's so cool. Merida.
Oh, Merida. Oh, I love Merida. So that's great.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I can't believe it. They're all different.
I know. I can't believe we've gotten all different ones. This is amazing.
I did try to get them from different places.
Oh, did you?
Oh,
Belle!
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh, I like that.
Oh my gosh, we have one more pin to go.
I know.
Here's Belle.
You'd never be able to get all separate.
Last one. I
all
know.
different
This
pins.
is wild.
Okay, and oh, good luck.
We got the blue fairy. We got completely different pins in this pack. I cannot believe we didn't get any doubles. This is amazing. Okay, here we go.
Oh, I like the fairies.
Me too. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that mystery pin unboxing. Mom, thanks for coming. And
Thanks for having me.
you're welcome. It's in your house, so it wasn't hard. You had to walk 10 feet. Anyways, if you have not joined my Disney family, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.